Good day everyone! We are the Group 2 and today we will demonstrate the French table setup, one of the most elegant and formal styles of service used in fine dining restaurants. The French setup focuses on grace, precision, and personalized service, often done tableside using a gueridon or service trolley. These are the members of our team: Claudine Vicente, Mavi Sawal, Irish Nicole Magat, Janelle Undecimo, Justin Rain Punzalan, Shelton Smith Miranda, and lastly, Jeremy Bukad.
In the French service style, food is partially or fully prepared on a gueridon, which is a movable service trolley placed beside the guest table. The server presents the dish to the guest and serves it from the platter onto the plate. This method allows for an elegant and interactive dining experience. Ibig sabihin, sa French service, niluluto o hinahanda yung pagkain sa movable trolley na tinatawag na gueridon na nilalagay sa tabi ng table ng guest. Dito rin mismo sinaserve yung pagkain sa plato ng guest, kaya elegant at interactive ang dating.
This style is also known as tableside service because some dishes are flambéed, carved, or garnished right in front of the guest. It highlights the skill and professionalism of the service staff. Tinatawag din itong tableside service kasi may mga dish na niluto o nihiwa mismo sa harap ng guest. Ipinapakita nito yung performance na may halong hospitality.
Now let's proceed with identifying and placing the tableware. Tablecloth and napkin. The table is covered with a crisp white linen symbolizing cleanliness and sophistication. The napkin is neatly folded and placed at the center or on the side plate. Chinawares include the dinner plate, soup plate, side plate, and charger plate or service plate, which remains until the main course is served.
Cutleries. Knives are placed on the right side, with the cutting edge facing the plate, and forks on the left side. Dessert spoons and forks are positioned horizontally above the plate.
Ganito ang ayos ng cutlery para maayos at safe gamitin. Nasa kanan ng knife kasi usually right hand ang gamit sa paghiwa, nasa kaliwa naman ang fork, at yung dessert spoon at fork ay nasa taas para ready na pagdating ng dessert.
Glassware. Arranged from right to left, water goblet, red wine glass, and white wine glass, and above the glassware are Demita's cup. Ipinapakita nito ang tamang pagkaayos ng mga baso sa mesa, mula kanan papunta sa kaliwa, simula sa water goblet hanggang sa Demita's cup. Importante ito upang maging organisado o elegante tignan at para mapadali ang pagkuha ng mga guest. Centerpiece. A small floral arrangement or salt and pepper shaker may be used, ensuring it doesn't obstruct the view of guests. Ito naman yung palamuti or dekorasyon sa gitna ng mesa. Mas okay sa centerpiece if hindi ito masyadong malaki o mataas para hindi siya maging abala sa pag-uusap ng mga guests. Sa pamamagitan nito ay mas magiging kaaya-aya at maganda ang pagkapresent ng dining table.
Did you know that French-style table setup features a place, setting with forks to the left of the plate and knives and spoon to the right? Utensils are arranged in order of use from the outside in, with the dessert spoon and fork placed horizontally above the plate. Glasses are positioned to the upper right, and linens, a centerpiece of flowers or candles, and a bread plate can complete the elegant yet often relaxed French aesthetic. This is the demonstration